Wow, this is going to be a good match. And there's no stranger to championships.
Thunderbolt, Georgia. He is the LSC Zero Gravity Champion, Lightning Tim Lutz.
Oh man, this is the price of admission.
I've never seen Mr. Extreme wrestle, but I guess I got to root for him.
I've seen Aaron Extreme, different companies, held different titles, and this is gonna be a little like a. I want to see a good match. Here we go. Zero Gravity title. Aaron Extreme going up against Lightning Tim Lutz. This is going to be evenly matched. Collarbone tie up, and here we go. Wrist lock. Let's see who's going to reverse it. Oh, good one by Aaron Extreme. Oh, the flip. Wow, Tim Lutz with a wrist lock.
Aaron's trying to see what he can do to get out of it.
Aaron's up. Another flip. Wrist lock. Down goes Tim Lutz.
He's really working on that arm.
Nip up by Tim Lutz. Back on a wrist lock. Oh, flip again, Aaron Extreme. This is all called wrestling right here, folks.
This looks like a bunch of tumbling.
Oh, good move there by Tim Lutz.
So far, it just looks like a bunch of flips.
So far, so good. Looks like this is evenly matched. These two are evenly
all I've seen
matched.
is flips. I just wonder if they can do anything besides flips.
Oh, don't worry. If you haven't seen Aaron Extreme, you're gonna see a lot more.
Flips?
More than that.
I hope, because I'm tired of seeing flips. This isn't tumbling class.
Go behind. Oh, whoa! Nice move there by Aaron Extreme. Forearm in the midsection. Irish whip. Oh, drop kick there by Tim Lutz.
Finally, something other than tumbling.
Cover. 2 count. Forearm. I'm in the corner. Irish whip. Oh, spinning heel kick. Lutz picks him up. Andre takedown. Extreme is up. Nice slip, no reversal. Oh, back elbow by Tim Lutz. Oh, running neck snap there by Tim Lutz. Shades of the late Mr. Perfect. Well up. Whoa, 2 count.
He's trying hard.
Like Tim Lutz got the advantage.
Oh, come back.
I'll fall on there by Tim Lutz.
Like you said, he's a good wrestler. If he's that good of a wrestler, he'll make a comeback.
Trying to get back, trying to get Aaron Extreme back into life. Oh, he missed. Oh, there's a insecurity in the back of the neck.
Ow.
Ducks. Pele kick. Ducks. Oh, good tornado DDT. Wow.
Ooh.
Man. Oh, you might see this. Oh, Brian Panja. And another one. Man, like I said, if you have not seen Aaron Extreme, this is the price of admission.
I've seen some tumbling and some kicks.
Cover. 2 count. Uh-oh. Top rope. I've seen this one. Nope. Wow.
Oh, that looks like that would hurt.
Cover 1, 2. 2 count.
He's going to keep trying to come out of it.
He went for a top rope dance press. Standing shooting star. Oh!
Out of it.
Oh! Here we go. He get this move off. Oh, there it is. MDAG. That's it. Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner, and still LSC Zero Gravity Champion, Lightning.
Wow.
Wow.
Tim Lutz defended his Zero Gravity title. Hits Aaron Extreme with the multicultural arm drag. Man.
What a way to start the show.
That's a better way to start the show off. Good effort there by Aaron Extreme. Good effort there by Aaron Extreme.